Hey, imaginein mo, you just released or created a brand new product. Bago lang tong produkto mo. And in just one click of a button, magdaratingan na yung mga customers dun sa tindahan mo and ready to buy your product. Who wants that? Right? Lahat po ng business owner, of course, they're gonna say, yes, how do you do that? How exactly do that? And this is what I've been teaching for many years, and I still believe it's still underutilized, at least sa Philippine market, and that is email marketing. That is right. So ako po, because I have a lot of subscribers already po over the years, and I can create a new product every single time, and meron na po akong buyer na naghihintay. Now, admittedly, hindi ho lahat ng product ko will make as much as money as I wanted to. May mga product dyan na talagang ang daming may gusto, may mga product na very little lang. Now, here's the key. Because it is a digital product, it's a computer file. You nearly 100% profit. So kahit pag kumita ako ng mga 10,000 pesos lang, it's a computer file. So wala yung cost of goods ko is very small kung wala. Depende sa product. Pag mga services, yung mayroon akong cost of goods but generally zero. So pag may sale ako kahit na 50,000 na simpleng dumating sa PayPal account ko, that is 100% profit. Now, the next question you'll be asking is, Sir John, how do I build email lists or subscribers? Good question. Number one, yung tinatawag na ethical bribe. So when people land on your website, you have to give them a reason to subscribe. People will not just subscribe to your website for whatever reason. Siguro mga 20 years ago, 30 years ago, nung hindi pa uso yung mga spam, like pretty much everyone will subscribe, ask them to subscribe. Pero ngayon, you have to offer them something. It's an ethical bribe. It could be a one-page checklist, a free report. Depende sa target market mo. This could be 1 to 5 pages. Short lang po ito. Think of it more of like a straight manual. Hindi pa siya masasabi mong ebook. Technically though, it's also computer file. And that's how it works. Okay, so once you offer them something, then you're gonna ask them, click here to subscribe to get this free copy. It is a very old marketing strategy. But the key here is, gusto ko man ma-excite sa mga latest trend and marketing strategy, this strategy that I've been telling you, wala pa rin hong nakakatalo. That's the thing. Now, maybe maaring may isa kang video nag-viral sa Instagram Reels, sa YouTube, whatnot. And then, yeah, it can beat yung email. Pero ano yung chance na mag-viral ka? That is a problem. Unfortunately, yung bills ko ho, bayad sa kuryente, tubig, upa, tuition ng bata, lahat po yan, consistent darating yan. So, hindi ho ko po pwedeng mag-design ng business model based sa magiging virality ng isang video or magdidesisyon si Mark Zuckerberg ng Facebook kung pakikita ba niya yung mga posts ko sa Facebook or sa YouTube. So, I want something na may control ako, and that is once again, email marketing. So again, think about it that way. Think of it na parang meron ka ng guaranteed na buyer whenever you release a new product.